Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will introduce a small freeware utilities that is known as Quick Set DNS. In case you have problem with your Windows PC, you are unable to configure DNS either IP4 or IPv6. You can use this a small utility. It is free of cost and available through Nearsoft website. I will provide the link in this video description also. You can follow that link and can download and even more explore if you want. By default, when you install and run, you will see this all DNS already configured. In case you want to activate any DNS such as this one Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, just select, right click, and here choose set active DNS. You can do for IPv4 and IPv6 according to your needs. You can also modify if you want. Just select edit DNS server and you can change entries here. In case you want to use your own DNS, just create a new one by clicking this one file and selecting new DNS server. Fill up the entries that you got through your host and then click on this one OK button. It will display here. If you want to delete, just select the DNS entry and in the pop-up menu select delete DNS server. This way you can enable or disable any DNS on your Windows 11, 10, whatever you are using, any Windows PC, you can set DNS. After making these changes, just hit the save button. This will automatically applied to your PC. You don't have to configure anything manually on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.